my people, this is your girl. For those watching my YouTube channel for the first time, safe space, you're all welcome. Feel free. Today I want to show you nature. Enjoy the cool breeze of Mombasa at Zani Beach. Have fun, enjoy. If you can't feel it, okay. Have a good look of nature. Enough breeze where you can sit, relax, reflect, make better decisions for the future, plan ahead of time, cool yourself off from the stress, from the thoughts, from the worries, and just do your me time. This is what we call me time, just for me. Sometimes in your life it's good to have a me time. A time where you think all of yourself. You make sure you make yourself happy. Because salvation is personal. If you die alone. And your worries will still stay behind. So don't be too hard on yourself. I know this period, the period of back to school. If you haven't got all your children's school fees, you can still have fun for yourself. You can still enjoy, you can still relax. Huh? Look at the beach. Oh, the breeze.
Can I join you?
Enjoy nature. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Welcome to my page. Those watching for the first time, today is Nature Day. I want you to take part in this activity of today. If you haven't been here before, just watching the video, you can see tell yourself you have been there already. I'm enjoying this on behalf of all my viewers. It's for us all. This is Mombasa, Zani Beach. Ooh, 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 ooh. 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 Wow. When you feel the touch of that water, it's as if you have no problems again in this one. It's as if all your worries is over. Just the cool nature cools your temperature, cools your heartaches. Have fun, guys. Have fun, guys. It's your girl from a joyful heart. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.